The Vijay Hazare Trophy match between Andhra Pradesh and Delhi, scheduled at Chinnaswamy Stadium on Wednesday, has been postponed, announced Bengaluru Police Commissioner Simant Kumar Singh. The decision follows a report by the Home Department Committee which assessed the stadium's readiness and found it non-compliant with safety norms. The move comes after last year's stampede outside the stadium during RCB's victory celebrations, which tragically claimed 11 lives, prompting a government ban on matches at the venue. Following the recent KSCA elections, Venkatesh Prasad became the new president and the committee appealed to resume matches at Chinnaswamy Stadium. The government had initially indicated approval and the match was expected to feature Virat Kohli. However, teams from the Greater Bengaluru Authority, Bengaluru Police Fire Department, and other concerned departments conducted inspections on Tuesday. The report highlighted that the stadium had not fully implemented required safety measures, leading to the postponement. Authorities confirmed that the match will not take place under current circumstances and further directives will be issued once compliance is achieved.
The committee which had gone to the stadium yesterday on the instructions of the Home Department, different departments had gone, including Fire, BESCOM, PWD, Health, GBA and the police. As per the report of the departments, the permission has not been granted for match tomorrow. There are it is under consideration. The committee has given a detailed report, but as of now, the permission is not granted. Yeah. No, we can't. I can't speak on that. I'm one of the members. Thank you.